Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
Most much people come from, what say you think a party, a beer in the out here. The jailer don't want
We should have poured fire from all here, so too. The side there. Clot. It's a big setback.
Stress yourself,
Eh?
Stress yourself too much.
No, don't stress yourself. Setback.
At the spin-off effect, everybody are going to feel this.
Yeah.
And as workers,
No, consumers are going to feel it, you know. And the price are going to increase and all them things that. Because them supply the country most stuff in a bridget. Clot, man.
Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things that's good. See, once I welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. Don't know. See? More bless. Yeah. We notice a big fire go on down Facey Commodity the other day, you know. Seeing? And it come like really and truly it take the newspaper about 24 hours for cover it, you know. It take the local media about 24 hours for cover it. You know, see, because everything they online these days, you know, see, I mean, I watch for see what go on and yeah. See? So it kind of made it done suspicious of the whole thing already. You know, see, this kind of make it rather worse. See? No loss of life. See? Which is a good thing, don't get me wrong, you know. See? But, you know, fortunately, there was no loss of life in this case here. You know, see, you see the people them were predominantly, you know, control the supply issue and them sort of thing. I don't trust them from morning. Seeing? Because I remember in a 1980, late 70s, 80, and them same people there take bribe and hold back the distribution and make certain products, you know, basically almost starve the nation if Jamaica wasn't a self-sufficient, self-reliant type of mentality type of people. See, the nation would have starved. You know, see, remember a woman used to carry them picnic got teeth for eat. You know, see, while the wholesale people them downtown a pay truck man for carry the food, go dump it down a riverton. That's why when we used to get the rice, them it dirty and have a sort of sand grain and dirt and sitting in it. You have to pick out rice back in them days there. You have to have rice in a bowl and then you pick it for all half hour to get out half of the garbage way in it before you could wash it and cook it. And all when the no cure good enough, you still a find a gravel in it, you bite a gravel and all them things that when you eat your rice. You know, see it? So, we don't forget them thing there. Seeing, and we know people play active role, or the people them will play active role in a them sort of thing there, perpetration there, upon local poor people, are still around and still actively in the position that a lot of them were in back then when they choose to purposely do this to the people. This is history. You know, see, now again, fast forward till now when people, you have a strong opposition of people because of certain things, as we all know. You know, see it. The Vaseline, everybody are quarrel about it and a kitchen, you know what I say? You know, see it. And we see the rest of the world prepare for starve and disable them own citizen for get Vaseline up and things like that. We see it happen right now. People are losing them job, people can't go work, people can't go certain places, starting in various places all over the world. See? Everybody know that. See? Now in the midst of that, because we don't have no great big industry down there where I go cripple the few industry down there necessarily and to the international community, me certain the whole of them man they get for them tag up and bag up. You know, see, cause opportunity lacking in the society and them industry there is kind of a better opportunity than what most have to offer. You know, see it. So again, you can't say certain company worried about staffing at this point. You know, see it. We know the society where we in a certain manner in a certain job and go like backside and airport and the port them and them place there. See, them man they not take no threat. We not expect the vast majority of them man they for jeopardize them work because them know whole heap of people line up out there. If you come replace them, same place on the island there. See that we kind of oversee that one day. You know see it? You know see it? So come on people, at them are the problem. See? At them are the one we need to get the numbers up. These numbers are we are talking about all the while. Seeing and find some way like the rest of the world, everybody else in the world already indicates that them prepare for make people hungry, make people go without work, make people go without day-to-day amenities. You understand what I say? Them prepare for that on a whim because them suspects say this might happen. So because something might happen, yeah, we are gonna make certain say you're dead for hungry. So when we look and say face the commodity burn down like that, in the midst of all of this, right in the midst of them guy that with it starve we already back in the 80s. We have to look on a base suspicion surrounding that. See, face the commodity are one of the biggest distributor of one of the Vaseline producer them. See, if you go check it out and go see, a face the commodity distribute the thing from long time before Vaseline come in. See, it used to deliver the product for this maker locally. See, them going a war in a court battle and thing like that, and face the commodity separate them and the whole of them win a money. You know, see, first thing we want to mention, you know, we want to make one thing clear, yeah? Jamaica Coconut Board, see, where it looked like it did owned by Jamaica, local Jamaica in the 40s. See, them start the whole thing. See, then them come start separate a thing. I don't know if nothing come in between that. See, but them change name to separate. See, separate buy shares in I think separate buy muscles. See, and buy shares in a Facey commodity. See, so the whole of this and that's Jamaica government influence strongly because I think up to this point, last time I checked out the last statistics I hear, Jamaica did own, the government of Jamaica own about 20% in it. You see it? And the Ministry of Agriculture then did a thing for, you know, bring forward them profit from that for go buy we call it land and plant coconut because most of the coconut we them use in our Jamaica are foreign country them have to buy it from, because Jamaica one of the biggest supplier, or was one of the biggest supplier of coconut product to Canada. You know, see, Canada rather buy it from Jamaica than anywhere else. See, yet still we never did have show any local propensity for make local farmer grow coconut on a scale. I wonder why. Probably because the whole of them did suddenly dead off in the 80s by some unknown reason after we get sprayed for dengue fever. You know, see, coconut tree just dry up right across Kingston. We could have seen them. You know, see, not just coconut tree, coffee tree, all the banana them just get weakened. You know, see, we don't know if them chemicals are still in the atmosphere. See? From that, we farming just drop. You know, see it? See? So I don't know if that's the reason why our government never shown a true effort into resurrecting our coconut industry. See? But anyway, them a distributor in the news. Them a distributor of them are one of the creator of the German creator of the Vaseline, the start of Vibes back in the time, and the German creator did lose the battle. You know, see, because the German creator did tell them, say them to do this and them to do that, and them never want, and them a do it, but it was kind of illegal for the creator, the pharmacy distributor, the pharma product distributor, then to tell them that, you know, see it, so them can go court and win some millions. You know, see it, right now, the guy there are one of the main producer of the Vaseline. You know, see it. You know, see it, so them did have the distribution contract for them guy there. See? Well on there. Yes, sir. I'm gonna cook some food in the meantime while we are reasoning, you know? Yeah. So Jamaica government have a 25 or 20%, probably more by now, stake in that separate thing there. You know, see it. You know, see it. So it kind of weird how in a crisis like this, the food product, the food distribution hub, one of the main, you know, see it. The few food distribution hub, because them guys they buy up most of the little small company them. You know, see it, and have them under them same one. You know, see it. So that kind of suspicious to me, because I've seen it happen before. You know, see it. I see it happen, I live it when we couldn't get soap. You know, see, you want to buy a pound of rice, you could have to buy a car tire with it. They married it with a car tire, and you don't even have a car. You know, see, but because you want the rice, you have to buy anything where they sell with the rice. You know, see, and the way business people do it now, them just, in order to make business go better for them just buy something where them see and carry it, come back, come sell with the rice too. So instead of just the rice business, them could have banana business then, put it simple. So you have to buy a bunch of banana to forget all a half pound of rice. Or you have to buy a hand of banana to get a half pound of rice. You know, see, once a week you could have buck up on some rice. Soap, rather worse. All of the little necessities, basic necessities, all of them things there, last off of the shelf. You see it, I mean, I tell you, say, them guy I dump them down a Riverton because them are spoiling at them warehouse and them thing there. My father used to drive a truck where them used to have him a dump them thing there, and I saw him stop work, and I was some big, I never know, like a small bureaucrat. I do them thing, you know, see it, a top government entity basically sabotage the food with in the island, just because, and from them time there, our government act like them not observe, say, are we local people are we for be in charge of that. You know, see, them still have only 20% in that. See, where the major base of the operation there, right in the belly of some other people will control the port. Seeing now them people here, ultimate aim and ambition of be distributor, to distribute every and anything we come under for them portfolio. We them see every and anything. You see. Them have the technology. We see what them do with the African Union building where them build down there and bug it right through. You see, so them can listen to everything where the people want to say. You get what I say? So we can't put nothing past them people there. We see how them copy everybody brand and make it and bootleg it and sell it right across the world and laughing at the face of everybody, get big and rich and prominent and laughing at the face of everybody and say, them now have them law they don't the way exist nowhere else. See, you can't put nothing past the Chinese. See? And at them the writing at the belly of our food. Me not say at them, you know. But me not trust what go on this and the type of people that were in control of the food supply of Jamaica. And right in a time like this, the big food warehouse separate Facey Commodity, Muslims food warehouse just burn down so Rasta. Nobody no get injured. Nobody never there work that time there. Weirdly. Or probably everybody run out. Nobody never skillful enough. There was no implementation, no fire. You know what I say? For limit the damage. Not never in place. A big warehouse like that and you know have firefighting equipment for at least stabilize the blaze till the professional them come or something like that. Limit the blaze, limit the damage somehow. You know, this is the whole place just burn down so Rasta. You know really, you know love that. You know see, I have no reason for trust the authority them for do it because I see them do it already once bitten, twice shy Rasta. You know see, little children them were there right you know when I understand why I go on like little millionaire them. No say it happened before, go do no research. You know see, the government will do it happen is will do it to the nation before is in power. Right now. See? And the people them who work with them to carry out such wickedness from the Jamaican people are still in the position that they were back then. If one of them a family member. See? And them same one own the entity them and the same agenda them a work after. You know see, use the people to get for them get for them will for them agenda done. You know see? And how you get the people them for moving in a certain direction is for starve them. Like how them they plan to do the Michael Manley government. Starve the people them against the PNP. Starve them against Michael Manley. See? And I said there's a legitimate argument that has been admitted and you know see. So we can't be, complacent like so well then. History afraid to repeat itself. You know see, that fire look dodgy. That fire look suspicious to me. You know see, and I do business who want to hold along the middle of the sun and go on like say, nothing else now happen nowhere else over the world. Suspicious, so make we just overlook this and youth enough to know what we do down there, you know. We don't have enough gunmen or just name them gun. Because the people them want to kill one another. Eat them, but want to kill them for. People them are hungry people like you know when I have nothing either. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. And my opinion that on the matter, I don't think in a today day and age, Jamaica technologically savvy. Jamaica is like Jamaica when it comes to them thing there. Jamaica first world provision for take care of like PSOJ, private sector organization of Jamaica and them people. Them people have enough capital where them can set up them own, like have a decent firearm fighting facility in the vicinity of where them there. So that's in the event where such a thing might happen. You know see, them can dip on it like that. Bap, bap. You know see, it just look weird to I Rasta. You see it? And based on my experience, I've got every reason to feel suspicious about the whole happenings. You see it? I'm one of the people that open them eye and beware of them people and know say a lot of effort, very much effort. You see it? And people is benefiting from these outcomes. The outcomes of these efforts worldwide. Watch the news. I mean, it's a profitable affair going. Loads of people have made billions or trillions of dollars off the whole thing. See, you never know what people will do in the interest of making money. Particularly in Jamaica, we know how gravelicious them act. Desperate and gravelicious. You see, egotistical and all up in themselves. Selfishness is one of the biggest cause. You see, if keep up with the Joneses and look better than your next neighbor, are the next best thing for any black man. You see, so we have to beware of our own even more than the enemy them because we can't see ourselves. We can't see our own. We don't know. You understand? You see, I have seen this happen before where Jamaica was starved through and forced into political decision through starvation, Rasta. You see it? And at that me I pray at a time, oh, never before. What it couldn't happen 2-3 years after when everything properly calm back down distribution. In the midst of everything like this, why it wasn't necessary to take extra precaution for prepare, for protect the food supply. I mean, it lack every, oh my goodness. At the Amish, although people, open on the head, open on the head, dig up the backyard and they want to have and plant callaloo. You know, see it? And cassava. Them easy to grow. See, by the cassava, them grow and learn how to make flour out of it. When you learn how to boil it to like yam and them thing there. See? That we did have to do in the 80s. See? When we get a piece of chicken back, we're lucky. You know, see it? We have to fry that long and get out every oil out of it. And the oil make gravy. And at this so you get a little balance. Because the gravy spread out all about. You know, no meat for eat, you're going to have meat gravy, meat flavored gravy. You know, see it? I see it happen before Rasta. You know, see it? I just hope I make sense to the eye them. I man give thanks. Rastafari. Share, like, and subscribe. And press the notification bell. See?